Using a chainsaw for extended periods during the working day makes good quality, well-fitting ear protection absolutely essential. Earplugs are just not enough. A helmet is also great protection and is required in many scenarios. In this film, I want to make a repair on a helmet where the plastic moulding that holds the earmuffs has cracked, and also to improve on the comfort of some of my helmets. Adapting and repairing equipment and tools to your own requirements is not only economical, it's necessary to eliminate the shortcomings of consumer durables. So I thought it might be of interest. If, however, a mending film like this is not your cup of tea, I urge you to have a look at my back catalogue of films. Follow the link in the description box. If you're one of the recent influx of new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I'd also like to thank the regular viewers for your continued support. I really appreciate all the encouragement you've given. I need to find a way of repairing these things. It seems so absurd to buy new ones because there's so little to them, isn't there? I like this one. It's the most comfortable one I've got. This one I've had this for a very long time. It's got some damage. It's not as comfortable. The interior of this is not as comfortable. This colour coding. They have these colour coding on these pedal tool things, and the yellow ones are hobby. I remember when I first started working with the lufting professionally, I was criticised for using the yellow headphones, which they're not good enough for continuous use. I was milling timber on a chainsaw mill. These green ones are even better, I think, than the orange ones. So they're bigger, give better protection. But these are the ones they sell for doing with chainsaws. I don't know what the difference is. These have this piece of plastic around here, and one of my helmets is 20 years old, so it's kind of perished. But I've never found these very comfortable, so I'm going to have a go at making one out of leather. So I took it out of that one and just unfolded it from this and used it as a pattern. So I'll start with the Peltor helmet and then go on to the Stihl helmet afterwards. And that stuff I said about colour coding is probably outdated now. I noticed that the new ones don't have any of those colours. So that just makes the hole in the right place. That works alright. That was so comfortable that I'm going to have to make one for this one too. Tip that forward to get them out. Well, at least that's not a one-way process on those, that's good. You don't really need that sponge when you've got leather because it's nice and spongy anyway.
It's nice that this is made of nylon, it's nice and soft. It's quite cold in here now. It's about -4, I think. I discovered that was the shortcoming of the cheap wedges I bought for felling trees. They couldn't tolerate the cold. I've got some ones that are made by steel. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's so much better. So much better. Yeah, and the steel ones were okay in the cold, but the cheap ones from the Biltema, which is a bit like Harbour Freight, I suppose, they it's cracked when it was cold. Oh yes, probably do with a clean that, couldn't it? Seems to have been sitting on the building site, picking up sawdust.
Oh, that's so comfortable.
You know how it is when you put these helmets on, and they're really, really cold when you first put them on because of the plastic, but in cold weather. Oh, that's brilliant, yes.